Alrighty, we're going to be discussing Class 6 breeding gilts, the crossbred gilts here. As a committee, we thought just turning around the class, the very first thing, easiest thing you needed to do is find the 3 gilt. One of the belted gilts, one of the litter mates. 3 is going to be just ESTs in almost every advantage in terms of just the most feminine, the best looking, the best built one. That's the squarest coming and going. She's the most flexible, the best in terms of her center body and muscle shape. Again, almost every class advantage, 3 wins pretty easily. After that, there's definitely some sort of the remaining 3. The next thing that we went ahead and did is we went ahead and ran 1 second. That's going to be the biggest legged, stoutest featured gilt. That's the most pried apart whenever she comes at you. She's the biggest in terms of her pin set. With the fact that she's the stoutest, she's also the coarsest. She is the hardest in terms of her body shape, actually of the entire class. She's just a little shallower. She has some rib shape, but she's just going to be kind of a harder doing one, but has a lot of quality, some hard to do things in terms of just feature, width, and muscle. After that, there's going to be a blue gilt and a bigger, larger scaled gilt. We went ahead and ran the blue gilt last. That's going to be the frailest, narrowest constructed, flattest sided gilt of the entire class. From the side, she does give you a neat little look. She's tall at the point of her blade. She comes out high. She's clean throated, level in terms of her lines, and has a little bit of a sweep to her belly. But again, she is the frailest, the narrowest, and the flattest. And then the way she utilizes her hind leg, even though it's square going away, she doesn't really just want to flex, bend, and have a whole lot of mobility. That then leaves the 4 gilt to fall into a 3rd place slot. She's a large scale, big constructed gilt that has some just total volume and mass. But she is also a very frail, kind of straighter bladed gilt that just gives the least amount of look in terms of her front 1/3. You kind of round her off of both ends of her skeleton, but of that bottom pair, she is wider constructed, has more true width and dimension whenever you get over the top side of her. So again, the official placings for the crossbred gilts Class 6 are going to be 3, 1, 4, 2.